So you'll hear some other rattling inside the van. There's a bunch of stuff inside the van, but you hear that kind of pinging, knocking noise? Do is I'm gonna put the camera inside the engine bay. I'm unable to reproduce that while it's parked. I don't know if maybe that's part of the suspension or it's kind of like a ricing noise or a pinging noise. I don't know if you hear that, kind of a rattle. It doesn't happen while I'm just coasting, so I don't think it's anything on the road. Here's the engine just running. I'm going to put the phone inside the engine somewhere, say, so you can hear it up close.